Step 5, add laces. There are no tools for this step. Parts. Hockey skate laces.
This is the 5th and final step. And here we're going to add laces back onto the hockey skate, which is now a roller skate. And we still use hockey skate laces. And there are 2 kinds of hockey skate laces. There are waxed and unwaxed. So these are the waxed and these are the unwaxed. And the difference is that waxed is smooth. It has like this extra kind of coating around them so they don't frizz like that. And then you have unwaxed. And unwaxed is a little slightly rougher, and they frizz after a while. So that's the difference that I've noticed. Also, I've noticed that waxed hockey skate laces tend to be slightly thinner than the unwaxed hockey skate laces. But they're both thick laces. Make no mistake about that. So we are going to use the waxed. So here we are. Let's get the lacing. So you want to straighten your lace out. And then what I like to do with the way in which that I lace my skates up is the same way that I lace my sneakers up. And that is, I take my lace and I go from the outside of the eyelet, the bottom eyelet, inward, and then I pull. And then I do the same thing on the outer side, outside of the eyelet, and then I pull toward the inside of the inner part of the boot. Then pull that, and let's make sure that this is even. Okay, it's not even. All right, now that's even. So, and then I like to go from lower inside to the out. Lower inner to out, and then scoop in, make sure that it's nice and flat. Then I go from the outer under to inner outer, like this. So inner side of the boot, and then I loop around. And I follow the same pattern till I get closer to the top. And let's do that. Oh, and I also make sure that the lace that's coming in is always over the lace that's going out. That's my style. I like that. Feel free to lace it how you see fit. Okay, so we're pretty much at the top of the boot, and we have 2 eyelets left. So I'm just going to bring it up probably to the second to the last eyelet, and then we just go now we go inside to inside out, inside to inside out. There you go, inside to inside out, inside to inside out. Okay, there you go, there you go. See that? Let's tie this. I want to thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to convert a hockey skate to a quad roller skate. I hope that you found this extremely insightful. I hope you found it encouraging and motivating, and I want to see what creative projects, what creative skates that you come up with. Let me know, hit me up. You can email me at avery@averygoodidea.com.